interpersonal communication skills in the workplace. In this session, we will discuss interpersonal communication skills in the workplace and understand why they are essential for professional success. While presentation skills are important, everyday workplace effectiveness depends largely on how we interact with others in meetings, discussions, negotiations and informal conversations. Interpersonal communication refers to the purposeful exchange of ideas, information, emotions and expectations between individuals within an organization. It forms the foundation of collaboration, leadership and organizational effectiveness. In today's professional environment, technical competence alone is not sufficient. The ability to communicate respectfully, clearly and constructively determines how well individuals work in teams and how effectively organizations function. Effective interpersonal communication builds trust, reduces misunderstandings and enhances productivity. When communication is transparent and respectful, workplace conflicts decrease and decision making improves. Employers consistently value interpersonal skills because they reflect emotional intelligence, adaptability and leadership readiness. A central component of interpersonal communication is active listening. Listening is not merely hearing words. It involves full concentration, understanding and thoughtful response. In professional settings, active listening prevents errors and improves clarity. During project discussions or client meetings, listening carefully ensures accurate interpretation of expectations. Active listening includes maintaining attentive posture, avoiding interpretations, asking clarifying questions, paraphrasing to confirm understanding and eliminating distractions. When people feel heard, they feel respected and motivated. Closely connected to listening is empathetic communication. Empathy involves understanding the emotions and perspectives of others. In workplace situations involving stress, conflict or performance challenges, empathy strengthens collaboration and trust. Empathetic communication means acknowledging feelings respectfully, using inclusive language, avoiding premature judgments and responding with understanding. Together, active listening and empathy create a psychologically safe environment where individuals feel valued. Another important aspect of interpersonal communication is understanding communication styles, particularly the difference between assertiveness, aggression and passivity. Aggressive communication involves expressing thoughts, needs and opinions clearly and respectfully. It balances confidence with consideration for others. Assertive professionals can state expectations, decline unreasonable requests and negotiate constructively without being confrontational. They often use I statements, maintain a calm tone and remain open to dialogue. Aggressive communication, in contrast, prioritizes dominance over collaboration. It may include interrupting others, using blaming language, raising the voice or dismissing opposing views. While aggression may achieve short-term compliance, it damages trust and weakens long-term relationships. Passive communication involves avoiding expression of opinions or needs. Passive individuals may hesitate to speak up or agree outwardly while internally disagreeing. This style may prevent immediate conflict but often leads to dissatisfaction and reduced productivity. Effective professionals strive for assertiveness, clear, respectful and balanced communication. Building rapport is another key element of interpersonal effectiveness. Rapport refers to mutual understanding and harmonious interaction. In workplace environments, strong professional relationships enhance teamwork and morale. Rapport develops through consistency, reliability and respectful communication. Simple actions such as demonstrating genuine interest, recognizing contributions, keeping commitments and encouraging open dialogue strengthen professional relationships. Networking within and beyond the organization also supports collaboration and career growth. Strong workplace relationships create a positive organizational climate and enhance leadership potential. Feedback exchange is equally essential in professional settings. Constructive feedback supports performance improvement and professional development. When giving feedback, focus on observable behavior rather than personal characteristics. Be specific, objective, and solution oriented. Balanced feedback that acknowledges strengthens while suggesting improvements promotes growth rather than defensiveness. Receiving feedback requires openness and emotional maturity. Listen without interruption. Seek clarification when needed. Avoid defensive reactions and reflect on suggestions. Viewing feedback as an opportunity for development rather than criticism strengthens professional resilience. In increasingly diverse workplaces, cross-cultural communication sensitivity is vital. Professionals interact with colleagues from different cultural, linguistic and social backgrounds. Cultural differences may influence communication style, hierarchy perception and decision making approaches. Some cultures value direct expression while others prefer indirect communication. Cross-cultural sensitivity involves respecting diversity, avoiding stereotypes, using clear and simple language and adapting communication style appropriately. Inclusive communication practices promote collaboration and reduce misunderstandings in diverse teams. Finally, emotional intelligence plays a central role in interpersonal communication. Emotional intelligence includes self-awareness, emotional regulation, empathy and social skills. Professionals with strong emotional intelligence manage stress constructively, handle conflicts calmly and build positive relationships. Self-awareness helps individuals recognize their communication style and emotional triggers. Emotional regulation prevents impulsive reactions during disagreements. Empathy emphasizes collaboration and social competence supports leadership and networking. Emotional intelligence differentiates professionals who thrive in dynamic and diverse environments. Thus, interpersonal communication skills are fundamental to workplace effectiveness. Active listening, empathy, assertiveness, rapport building, constructive feedback exchange, cross-cultural sensitivity and emotional intelligence collectively enhance professional performance. Mastery of these skills strengthens employability, supports leadership development and contributes to long-term career success.